Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can screenshot a portion of your screen on your Mac. So if you don't want to screenshot your entire screen, then here's a really easy way to screenshot a portion of your screen. All you need to do this is you don't want to press Command Shift 3 because that's probably what you normally do, but you want to press Command Shift 4. And this will bring up this mouse cursor thing, and if you now slide this over anything, for example, I want to make a screenshot of this screen recording, you simply drag your mouse over it, and when you let it go again, your screenshot will be made. It will make a screenshot sound, and you can then simply find it here, and we can now see that not this one has now been made just like I showed you guys. So yeah, that's how you can make and screenshot a portion of your screen. If you learned something from this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.